Welcome to Cloud Security Fundamentals. Organizations are migrating rapidly to the cloud, bringing entirely new security challenges. In this video, we explore AWS and Azure security, the shared responsibility model, cloud logging, IAM attacks, and container security. Cloud security encompasses the technologies, controls, policies, and practices used to protect cloud infrastructure. Cloud systems are dynamic and internet accessible, enabling rapid resource creation, but also leading to an expanded attack surface. Misconfigured cloud environments are a leading cause of modern data breaches. Visibility and security monitoring are critical in enterprise defense. AWS is one of the world's largest cloud platforms. Security here relies heavily on proper configuration. Common risks include publicly exposed S3 buckets, weak IAM permissions, misconfigured networking, and exposed API keys. Attackers actively scan the internet for misconfigurations that expose sensitive data. Azure integrates closely with Active Directory and hybrid environments, making identity a central security concern. Key capabilities include Azure Defender, conditional access policies, and security monitoring. Primary attack vectors are identity compromise, overprivileged accounts, and exposed misconfigured permissions. The shared responsibility model clarifies that security is shared, and misunderstanding this is a leading cause of cloud breaches. The cloud provider secures the physical data centers and core services. The customer organization secures user accounts, data, applications, and permissions. Most breaches stem from the organization's failure to secure its configurations. Cloud logging and monitoring are the foundation of cloud defense. Blue teams must use activity logs to detect threats early, monitor user access, API calls, resource creation, and authentication events. Look for suspicious indicators like impossible login locations, unusual API usage, and unauthorized privilege changes. Logging enables incident investigation and misconfiguration identification. Identity and access management is heavily targeted in the cloud. Stealing cloud identities provides direct access to critical infrastructure. Common attacks include credential theft for persistent access, privilege escalation by abusing misconfigured permissions, and MFA bypass or token theft to circumvent multi-factor authentication. Containers and orchestration platforms introduce new attack surfaces. Threats include vulnerable images with unpatched CVEs and misconfigured clusters with open APIs or weak RBAC. Container escape allows attackers to compromise the host system. Insecure secrets like hard-coded credentials grant direct access. The challenge of speed and scale means cloud environments change rapidly. Misconfigurations spread fast, and attack surfaces constantly shift. Mitigating this requires automation for configuration checks, continuous monitoring across dynamic assets, and behavioral analytics like UEBA to detect anomalies that traditional tools miss. Cloud security is critical in modern enterprise defense. Key takeaways are: secure cloud identities by enforcing least privilege and monitoring access. Know your responsibility, as the shared responsibility model defines your role. Maintain visibility using logging and behavioral analytics, and secure containers and workloads against emerging threats. Next up, Security Operations Center architecture and operation.